When you see Andre, you see me. Today we're gonna get some trouble. I'm Chichabas. This is called Madman Sleeping in Bed. I'm trying to find my dad. Are you my dad?
Okay,
For real?
look at me. I'm from England.
You're from England?
Got an ass so big like the sun.
Yo, where you been all my life, yo? It's been 21 years I've been looking for you.
Really?
Yeah. So where you work? Where's home? Where are we going home? Over there?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I got my own room. Do I have my own room?
No, right now.
Why?
There you go, no room.
Dad, I need my own room, Dad.
I'll look into it, alright?
Huh?
I'll look into it, alright?
You look into it? Oh.
Fabulous outfit in the whole world. Now you want to know who's going to wear this?
Madonna? Who? Madonna?
Lady Gaga?
Why am I picking a bunch? Why are you picking a bunch of white girls?
Nicki Minaj.
Nicki, that's better. Okay, just like show business, just like role playing. You find the people, I'll make the clothes, you find the people.
Okay.
That's simple.
All right.
Open belly, Auntie, open belly. Open belly.
I wanna be a kung fu fighter. Yeah. I wanna be like Jet Li or Bruce Lee.
Show us some of your moves.
So what you doing out here? What you doing out here?
How long you live here?
I just got that second.
You live here a long time? Alright, nice to meet you.
Man say get away, I will kill you.